Hello, Dr. Flynn. This is Hunter Metcalf, and I'm going to be doing a demonstration on pushing files from Git to Heroku. So that's what I'm going to be working on with this Git demonstration, as that's what I really did with my Computer Science 630 project. So what I'm going to do, I have Sublime Text open with my homepage.html.erb file, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my own command prompt. There's a really nice website about connecting your Git to Heroku, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that here. And all you have to do is really just change a gem file to have this SQLite 3 and a production Rails factor, so that way the server knows what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my command prompt. I'm here in my sites folder of my Ruby. I'm going to change directory into my website folder because that's where I run everything. And I'm going to do a Rails S. That's going to start my Rails server on localhost 3000. So I'm going to go ahead and bring over this. I'm going to go close these browsers. I'm going to bring up localhost 3000. And I'll give it a second to load, and you can see here all the stuff being retrieved for the server. And here's my website. I did a piano store. Oops, I didn't mean to highlight. Did a piano store, about services, contact us, all these different information. So what I'm going to do, just to demonstrate something, I'm going to change. So this is our local host. I'm going to go ahead and change our business to say hello there, or something simple like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to Sublime Text, and I'm going to go to our file that says our EREB file, and it says our business. So I'm going to say hello there, Dr. Flynn. And I'm going to go ahead and save that, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh the web page. As you can see, it says, hello there, Dr. Flynn. Now, I have a Heroku server set up at this location. And we'll give it a second to, takes a little bit of while, or a couple seconds to connect to the Heroku service. So here's my website on the Heroku service. So as you can see, it says our business. So the purpose of Git, at least in the instances that I've used it, is to actually take changes that you've made to a local project and push them to the a public domain, as we have here. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and stop my Rails app, and I'm going to bring up the command prompt back where I had it. And from there, I just want to make sure I'm doing this all right. I'm going to do a git add period. Okay? So what that does, it gets ready to add any files that you've possibly changed to Git. So in order to push those changes, I need to commit those changes. So I need to do git commit -m, should be -m, and then a comment. Added hello Dr. Flynn. And I'm going to do that. And that went ahead and added that change. So now that has been pushed to Git. Now I want to display that on my Heroku server. So what do I have to do? Well, luckily Git integrates well with Heroku, and I can do the git command git push Heroku and then the master project. So I'm going to do that. So what it's going to do is it's going to take the commit changes that I made, and it's going to go ahead and push those to our Heroku server here. So by the time it's done, when I refresh this page, it'll say, hello there, Dr. Flynn. So give it a few seconds to launch, and it's completed. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh the web page. And right there, it says, hello there, Dr. Flynn. And I accidentally put a capital L for your last name, so I apologize for that. However, that is my small demonstration on using Git as a tool to push local changes to a public domain, and I hope you've enjoyed watching. It's actually a really cool thing to do, because when I worked at IBM, we did similar stuff with IBM proprietary software of marking change sets, and I do that even in my current job, checking out a file, changing it, and then pushing that to the collective repository so that others can pick up those changes. So that's really what Git is doing in this instance. So I hope you've enjoyed watching, and have a great day.